So we've just spent a few hours with Nanny and Grandad at Woolacombe Bay. Sam has done some bodyboarding for the first time. Built a big hole and found water. Been a lovely morning, hasn't it? Yeah. Last one into rotten egg. Oh! Dig, Sam, dig! You need a hole big enough for Grandad to fit in. We'll work on him while you dig. What have you found, Sam?
Water!
Yeah? Keep digging. You're building a well. Wow! You went miles! That was perfect!
Oh.
You really caught that wave!
I went miles!
What did you just say about bodyboarding?
It might be better than football.
Oh my God.
If I get really good at it.
Oh, I got wet bum. So we came to Morthoe to go to Morthoe Point. Had some lunch in the pub behind us. But weather again. Joys of a British holiday. Quite a nice looking village though. Yeah. Apparently there's a lighthouse down that way. Little post office. And public toilets, car park. The National Trust do tractor and trailer rides certain days. And there is a museum and kids playground up here too. So this is the museum, and it looks like that's a tractor and trailer ride down there. Maybe on a nicer day. There's a bit of a playground. Bit of a park, even though it's raining. Yeah. Look at this, these are old bullets and things from the war. World War One bayonet. Ration books.
Ready for what? Really good job. So a lot of shipwrecks, isn't it?
Press a button.
Oh, Sam, look.
Put the headphones on and press a button.
Yeah, that's all Bert has. But look at this, Sam. So you can push a button. The SS Collier was wrecked
Look at this one.
on Rock'em Beach.
Look at these rocks.
That's the Coast Guard's practice ground.
Look at these rocks.
Dido Sea. There's lots of shipwrecks around here. The signalling lamps and parts of compasses and lighthouses. And shells. Yes, Sam.
Look at this ship.
Oh yeah. These. Okay, just leave it. These are models of some of the ships that have run aground and crashed. Yeah, so that one ran aground on those rocks, like from that map we were just looking at, in 1936. Whereas this ship blown onto the rocks, Baggy Point, 1799. So we're on our way to Morthoe Point. There are tractor rides on certain days, but we got here about 11:30 and it was fully booked for the day. Looks like some pretty nice views on this walk. There's at least one place to sit. Hopefully there'll be some more. It does say that the round walk is a moderate walk, about an hour and a quarter.
1 hour and 15 minutes.
America's west. I don't know which way we're facing at the minute. I'd imagine it's straight out that way.
Yeah. Just depending on which bit of America you hit.
Yeah.
There's so much food.
And you thought, where does this water end? I said, well, when you get to America.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the ocean, Sam.
No, it's the sea.
It probably is the Atlantic Ocean. But not up high enough to be the Irish Sea.
Danny! Oh! We're stuck. We're lost.
Are we lost?
We're lost in the middle of nowhere. Are we in the middle of nowhere? I think I just stepped into it. Oh, no.
So it's Woolacombe Bay from Morthoe Point. So we've come on a walk. Emma's knackered. We're nearly at Morthoe Point, and Sam is watching YouTube. Typical. So right in the distance up here, you might just see his Land Rover. That's where we've come down from. Oh, and here's the next
Tractor.
Yeah, it's the next tractor coming. Sam, you see the next tractor coming?
Hey, what? Yeah, a little telephone signal at the top, look. Going this way.
Yeah, and I think he goes up the hill just to his right, next right, and then does a turn up the top. Because you can see there's really big tractor divots in the grass and mud up there. And we are now in a cloud, and it is raining in this cloud.
I think.
So it's really wet and raining now, so we're not going to go
Up to
any
that.
further, but the point itself is there.
I
We
wanna go
could
to the
we
point.
could go round to the edge if Mummy's up for it,
I want to go to the point.
but we're completely in cloud and rain, so my idea of flying the drone isn't going to happen, but they're still
Daddy,
pretty cool up here.
there's an easier way to get down the rock.
Yeah. Just be really, really careful, okay?
Gallery.
So we've just come down from there. So I'm sending a picture to his cousins and Nana. But yeah, we've unfortunately got some of that lovely
What funny
British
thing?
liquid sunshine.
What funny thing?
So it's the coastline and Woolacombe Bay from Morthoe Point, covered in rain clouds. You can see the path in the distance, that's where we've got to go. And you can see the clouds actually
For more food.
come through. And Sam's stepping in sheep poop. Nice, Sam. Hello, sheep. Goodbye, sheep.
Okay.
Nice earrings.
I like your earrings.
Hello, sheep.
I don't like you. Go away. That's kind of.
Still making our way back. It is lovely. But it is, when they say a moderate walk, people who may be a little bit unfit like us, it's hard work. You know what? The weather really hates me. Lovely, getting warm now. Oh well. So here we are at Ilfracombe harbour. Amazing change in weather today. This is a Damien Hirst sculpture on the edge of the harbour. But then you can see it's beautiful blue skies. Even the wind has calmed down compared to when we were at Morthoe Point earlier. This view back into Ilfracombe. On that evening drinks cruise, £25. So we're walking towards Ilfracombe. There you go. So fudge, don't touch.
Not with a good one. I would have got Mrs. Star.
Because look, Sam, they've got all the fudge out on the table here, and they're making it. There's all the different sorts in here as well. Maple and walnut, chocolate. Oh, there's all the boozy ones. Cider, Jack Daniels, Baileys,
Cocktail fudge.
martinis, pina colada, mojitos. You've got your vegan ones. Oh, look at this, chili fudge. Cherry bakewell, lemon meringue, Biscoff.
Go to the bathroom and ice cream.
Okay.